What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wikup Entertainment. So, in a recent episode of Utandonis Temple, Mangwabe was confirming the end of her marriage to Musa Mseleku, and she was discussing this with her daughter, Mawande, and she was indicating her intention to leave the family homestead in Mzumbe. So this has brought about a division on social media. Some people are against Mangwabe, others are actually like offering her significant support, and praising her for standing up for herself and setting an example for her daughters. So this statement that was being said by Mangwabe, it shows like a firm stance by Mangwabe, on ending this marriage. So one of the big issues about what Mangwabe was saying, is actually her Mangwabe discussing this issue with her daughter. And this is something really emotional if you see a mother going to an extent of discussing such a matter with their own daughter. So what we can see and analyze here is that Mangwabe was communicating that dignity and boundaries actually matter more than staying in a marriage at any cost. At least that's what I can get out of what she was saying. So she was saying this because her own daughters had witnessed like years of disrespect, broken promises, intention, and so Mangwabe felt like she had to discuss this with her daughter. So her interacting with her daughter, it actually like suggests a shift, from endurance to empowerment. So one of the big issues is that is it like actually really acceptable for a mother to discuss such topics with their daughters? Obviously, a mature doctor, a daughter who has grown up. It's actually very healthy and empowering for a mother to discuss such a topic with their daughter, especially when approached with emotional intelligence and appropriate boundaries. So it actually teaches emotional honesty, it models strength and values, it normalizes difficult conversations because it's actually important for somebody to open up, because you actually get healed if you do that. And it also helps to prepare the daughter for future relationships. So that is Mangwawe, opening up with their daughter and discussing the end of this marriage in Utandonis Temple. Tell me what you think, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.